Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by dense forest, there lived a cat named Kiki and a bird named Bubu. Kiki was a smart and curious cat, while Bubu was a cheerful bird who loved to sing. They were best friends, even though they were very different. One day, when Kiki was exploring the yard, she heard Bubu singing happily in a tree. Kiki said, "Bubu, what are you singing? Your voice is so melodious." Bubu said, "Oh, Kiki, I'm singing a song about adventure. It feels so exciting to fly and see the world from above." Kiki said, "Huh? Adventure? I want to have an adventure too, but I cannot fly like you." Bubu said, "Don't worry, Kiki. We can have an adventure together in the forest. I can guide you to fly high with my imagination." Kiki was excited about the idea. They agreed to explore the forest together. The adventure began. Kiki and Bubu start walking toward the forest. On the way, they meet various other animals. Kiki said, "Hi Squirrel, do you want to go on an adventure with us?" Squirrel said, "Sure, I love adventures. Let's find delicious food in the forest." The three of them continued their journey and found a large tree full of fruit. They ate together and joked around. Bubu said, "Look, there are lots of fruit. We can share." Kiki said, "This is delicious. Thank you, Bubu, for inviting us to go on adventure." After eating, they continued their journey and arrived at the edge of the river. There, they saw fish swimming happily. Kiki said, "Wow, look at those fish. They are also having an adventure in the water." Bubu said, "Yes, Kiki. Every creature has its own adventure." As they began to sing, Kiki, Bubu, Squirrel felt tired but very happy. They had made beautiful memories together. Kiki said, "Today was so much fun. Thank you guys." Bubu said, "I'm glad we could go on adventure together. Let's make this adventure a tradition." Squirrel said, "Agree! We should explore more places next time." With hair full of happiness, they went home while sharing stories about the adventures they had experienced. Kiki and Bubu realized that adventures are not always about new places, but also about togetherness and friendship. And since then, Kiki and Bubu are always ready for the next adventure, whatever it may be.